Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Info. Please subscribe my channel. So today I am going to show you how to create the contact or external contacts or contacts in Office 365. So please watch my video till end. Okay, so let's start. So I'm logging to admin dashboard. This is a home page where you can see this is the main Microsoft 365 admin center where we can administrate and manage the different activities. So here we are covering today is how to create a contact. So in users you can see different tab. So you can see one more tab is contacts. So I am clicking on contacts. This is a contact tab. So you can see here add a contact, right? So you have to click on add a contact. I'm clicking on add a contact. So here we have to provide the contact details like first name, last name. So contact is something like we are creating one contact in your organization to search easily. For example, so if you have a different vendors like housekeeping, so if in your organization they want to search housekeeping contact, so they will easily search and they want to send a mail to they can able to send, right? So that is the main here reason for creating a contact. So easily you can able to search. So that contact user is not associated with your company directly, but indirectly he might providing some services. So like housekeeping, I am typing here housekeeping. So this contact user mailbox is not hosted in your organization, but it is hosted in their own organization. So it is linking this contact to with that external email address or email box. So you can keep a housekeeping name. Just I am for understanding purpose I am taking. You can take any. So external contact would be something like that, their organization. So I am putting here some my own email address. I know dgsol CLASSES classes @gmail. So this is the my email address, right? So here if I send a mail or search this contact, and this mail will be forwarded to this external email address, company Geneco, office phone number, anything can be, mobile number, anything you can specify, right? So you have file. So here it is saying hide from organization list. So if you want to hide, you can still hide, you can click on, but I want to search this contact in my Outlook, right? So that's why I'm not going to switch off this. So I'm clicking, I'm keeping as it is. So my I should search this contact. So clicking on add, right? So now I have created the contact. So you can see how it is created, right? You can see here, right? So see, this is the detail. So housekeeping is a contact name. This contact name external mail is configured with this email address. So whatever mails are sending to this housekeeping email address will be forwarded or sent to this external email address, not in your organization. It will go to external email address, the company name, of office number, all these things. So if you want to edit something, just click on this properties. You can see settings as well here. Edit exchange settings is there. If I click exchange setting, you can see some properties of our exchange, that contact properties. You're just opening, so we will wait for a moment. So it is fetching the data till time. So can you see again, if you want to hide, you can still hide this contact from your gal global address list. So I'm not doing that. Okay, so this is a, you can see this is a different properties for this housekeeping. General is there. If you want to change external email address, you can still change, hide from address list, you can do that. Contact information, city, street, you can type city, street to xyz or whatever it is, right? City, you can type state, zip code, postal code, country. You can select work phone, office fax number. All the information can be provided here. Organization title, right? Department, company. You can still provide a manager for manage for this contact any manager. You can type. If you put direct reports who is reporting, you can type a comment as well. So mail tips, so you can type some mail tips also. So like this we can manage and create a contact in Office 365 or Exchange Online. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.